I launched my first brand in the e-com. Today I will share the whole story behind this process with you guys, and as you might see I have some samples laying here. It's still blurry, but I will tell everything and show everything in this video, so let's not waste any more time and hop right into it. Alright, so as you guys might know, since the age of 16 I have my agency up and running. It started very simple with creating and designing logos, designing some posters and whatever. It wasn't very spectacular for me, it was exciting at that moment, but of course I had to make steps, and from the age of 18 I started creating websites and web shops for my clients. From that moment I took it very seriously. I skilled up, had many crazy experiences, nice clients, nice projects, and I've helped them with scaling up their brands, visibility online, marketing campaigns, marketing strategies and everything like that. So I have had a lot of learning processes during the past few years. I started my agency For Your Brand because I wanted to help my clients scale up their brands, but also start my own brands one day. For Your Brand agency is an overlapping thing which has multiple brands underneath it. And my dream always was to start my own company and scale it up from 0 to 100. And this dream already became reality like 1 year ago, because 1 year ago we started a platform called DNOB. It's a Dutch platform and everything is still going right. We're still building on it. The most part is outsourced and now it's time for the next step. So today I am announcing and launching my first e-com brand called FitApp. FitApp is providing one of the best supplements in this market, and not only the best supplements, but also providing and helping you with your whole lifestyle. Full application with receipts, workouts, tips, tricks and everything to help you being accountable in the process of becoming and staying healthy. It was a very long process of brainstorming and coming up with this concept. As you guys might know, I am an entrepreneur, which is not only working quietly hard, but also for me it's very important to stay healthy, keep learning, keep developing and have a healthy mindset and have a healthy body. So I'm going to the gym every single day. I'm focusing on meditating, having good sleep, having a good mental state and eating good as well. I already was taking supplements, but I really saw that supplements and vitamins are very crucial. Especially as an entrepreneur, it's very important to stay healthy because you have a lot of mentally tasks during the days. And from there on, I decided to start with a project of providing more than only supplements, but the whole story and the whole process behind it as well. Because a lot of companies might tell you and give you and sell you their supplements, but they will tell you that this is not a replacement of a healthy lifestyle. It's necessary for them to put it on their products. As you can see right here, this is one of our products, and this is there is standing as well. This is not a replacement of a healthy lifestyle. And it is not a replacement of a healthy lifestyle, because you cannot sit on the couch all day and take some vitamins in and then feel healthy. That's not how it works. But how does it work then? Like, no other company is really telling you how this works and providing other services behind the products they are selling. They are mainly focusing on the products, and besides of that they are not offering quietly much. So we want to be very original with providing one of the best supplements. Took a lot of long process finding the best suppliers and building a technology which is on average 20 times more effective than regular supplements. We are selling vitamin drops. As you can see, we are offering it in a very clean box, and we are offering vitamin drops. You will get it like this when you order some of them. It's a very nice and made up very clean box. We want to be one of the very original companies in this space, in this healthy space, which provides everything from the supplements to the whole lifestyle, which keeps you accountable for it. And we just launched today with the demo version of everything, because we have an application, a web application with everything of course, but this is just a demo. Later on we will build and scale it up to a whole application which is available in the App Store as well, of course. But for now you are able to order the first supplements, which are the vitamins, the 3 vitamins you're seeing right over here. Vitamin B12, vitamin C and vitamin D. Finally, we're here launching the brand. This channel is about sharing my journey with you. This video is just about announcing what brand I've started, and in the upcoming videos and in the upcoming months I will share the whole process behind it, behind all of the projects I'm doing. And I'm doing this with a partner. All of the brands that I'm setting up is not only myself, it's part of For Your Brand, but I'm doing this with a partner as well. So you will definitely see many more details about this whole process in the upcoming videos, of course. Right now, because we launched this very first new company, I have a discount. All of this is available in the links below. So check out the pages or check out my Instagram to see what we have going on over there. As I said, I will tell you and keep you updated about everything about the whole process, because entrepreneurship is not only about showing the good part, it's also about sharing the hard part and the hard process. And we are just at the very beginning of what I am able to do and what we are able to set up in these next few upcoming years, because mainly my source of income is still on the agency, together with scaling up some multiple other companies as well. So I will definitely keep you updated about it. I hope you like it. I hope you're excited for this process like I am. Let's keep in touch. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like, and I will check you in the next video.